Hi guys, I am Shushmita from Shushmita's Gallery. Today I come for showing you guys how to make pearl necklace which is very classy and you can make this for you at home. Hope you guys like it. Do like, share and comment and don't forget to subscribe my channel. For more videos notification, hit the bell icon beside the subscribe button. So let's start the video. First we need some materials which are easily found in the local jewelry store like silver bells, white pearls, dori, wire and some gear locks. So let's see the process.
I believe in love, I believe in honesty. Does that sound like something you'd be into? I believe the truth can be reality. Will you roll with that? 'Cause I want you to. I'm stuck in trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one